First, I want to start by bleeding off the fuel pressure in the fuel system. I'm going to pull the fuel pump fuse, check the chart, and just confirm that you get the right fuse. Pull that fuse out. Now I'm going to start the vehicle and let it die. Now the fuel pressure is bled off, so I can disconnect the battery. Use a 10mm wrench. Disconnect this terminal. And just slide it off. Set it aside. So that I don't forget, I'm going to put this fuse back in. At this time, there's no power to the fuse box. Remove this snorkel. You can disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab. And then take a straight blade screwdriver. There's a worm clamp down here and a worm clamp over here. Loosen those up. Now slide this off. Set it aside. Now take this cover off, just slide up, and then slide it forward. There's two retainers right there, and two pins that slide out. Disconnect the electrical connector right here. You might need to use a pick and just slide this little lock backwards. And then you can push down on the tab and slide the connector out. That's the little lock. That's just got to slide back. Now disconnect the fuel line right here. Use a pick. Just have to slide under this piece right here. There's a lock. Release that. Then you're going to push the lock down. Oh, there we go. That's released. Now just take a rag and put a rag over it so you don't get any fuel in your face. It's a good idea to wear safety glasses. And then just slide the line off. There we go. Just a little bit of fuel sprayed. And now we need to disconnect it down below. There's a little lock on here. This just slides out. And slide it up like that. Now take a fuel line release tool and just slide it over the line. You need to push it down. It's going to release the fingers. And then once it's pushed down, you should be able to slide the whole thing up. Just like that. Take the new sensor and just slide it into the fuel line. Lock it in place. Take this little lock, slide it on first, and then latch it. And then take this side of the line and slide it onto the fuel rail. Push the lock up and then lock this tab down. Now reconnect the connector. Lock it down and then push down that lock tab. Now slide the cover in position. Slide those pins in the back first. And push it down. Slide the snorkel back on. Tighten down the worm clamps. And reconnect the connector. And reconnect the battery. And snug down the terminal. Now I'm going to cycle the key on. Let the fuel pressure prime. Cycle it off. Cycle it one more time. And then start the truck.